Many applications can display notification alerts when something requires your attention. To decrease distractions, you can disable notifications for individual applications. Go to System Preferences, then to the Notifications category. This list shows every application on your computer that is able to display notification alerts. Select one of these applications. You can decide what type of alerts you receive from each application. Or if you don't want to receive any alerts at all, choose None. You may also want to disable alerts in Notification Center for this application, or notification badges that appear on the application icon in the dock. You could also choose to leave alerts enabled, but turn off the alert sound.